National Weather Service and Jan Hansen of the test tornado warning for Minnesota as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security, is issuing a test tornado warning for all of Minnesota. This will be in effect until 2 p.m. this Thursday afternoon. This is a test. Take the time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. Also remember, another test tornado drill will occur at 6:45 p.m. this evening. We now return to normal programming. At 1 p.m.
5 hours later.
Temperature of 5 megahertz. That's international falls, snow and fog reported with a temperature of 31. At Alexandria, snow and fog. This is the National Weather Service with a test tornado warning for Minnesota as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security, is issuing a test tornado warning for all of Minnesota. This is a test. Take time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. We now return to normal programming. Alexandria, snow and fog. This is the National Weather Service with a test tornado warning for Minnesota as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test. The National Weather Service, in cooperation with the Minnesota Division of Emergency Management and Homeland Security, is issuing a test tornado warning for all of Minnesota. It will be in effect until 7 p.m. this Thursday evening. This is a test. Take some time now to determine where you would go to a safe place, both at home and if you are away from home. Once again, this has been a test as part of Severe Weather Awareness Week. We now return to normal programming. This is weather radio station Kec65 Minneapolis.